Hello, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, September the 15th, 2021. We have here an additional with extra puzzles or Sudokus. The first one is a letter Sudoku. Then we have a 2 stars, a 3-star Sudoku, a tectonic with 4 stars, binary puzzle, tectonic with 1 star, and those puzzles are not interested. So total of 6 extra Sudokus, and I only do half of them, otherwise it's too much for me, because early on the day I've already solved 3 puzzles. So I will do 3 of them. The 3 stars I will do, the tectonic with 4 stars, and a binary. And this 3-star Sudoku will be number 3398. 3398. And this one, let me count the printed digits. Before I start, I always do this. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 24, 25, 26. No. Let me count again. 3, 3, 6, 8. 8 is 10, 14, 17, 20. Yeah, 25. Miscounted. 25, because for 3 stars Sudoku, it's always 25 printed digits. And for 3 stars Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Yeah, that's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Which number shall I pick? Let me see. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. There are 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. In this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 5. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can't be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. Alright. 3 missing numbers. In this row, one of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes, so the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing, 7, and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 6 and 8. Alright. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So that column, the only place for the 9 should be there. Yeah. Let me see. Yeah. How about the 4 in this row, the 4 in the middle row, so the row above, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see that 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. In this row, the third row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. There 4, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here or could be there. We see here another 4, so no 4 in this box. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Alright. Alright. We have a 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see a 1, a 1 in these 2 boxes. There, 1, a 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the last column. 1 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, a 1 there. 1 should be here. Then 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And all the ones are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 3 and number 4. Alright. Then. Let me see. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1. The 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5. And the 6 is missing, 2 and a 6. Let me mark those. 2 and a 6. Alright. Then 6. Interesting. 9. 2, 6, and 9. Well. How about the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see a 707 in these 3 boxes. There are 707 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 3 should be there. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in this box. There are 3, no 3 in that box. So the 3 could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in one of those two boxes in this column. 3 in the first column. So the column between, only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Two numbers left now in this big square. Here we have the 6 and the 8. The other pair should be the numbers 2 and the 9. 2 and the 9. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. One box left in the first column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing. Alright. So we have an 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only place for the 8 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6. We see here the 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Then. Let me see. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 6 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. One box left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9 is missing. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see this is number 4, number 9. Alright, one number left in the third row for the number 1, 2, the 3 is missing. Then two numbers left in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and the 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 6. Alright. 2 numbers left in the last column. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and the 8. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Here also 6 and the 7 are missing in this row. But we have a 6 there in this column. So no 6 in this box. The 6 should be there, and the 7 goes here. One box left in this big square for the number 7. Alright, one number left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing. Alright. Here we have 6 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. How about these two numbers in this row? 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 3 and the 8. 3 and the 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 6. And the final two numbers of this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Wow! Surprised! Did I go too fast for you? I don't know. Please respond if I go too fast and you need to rewind too much. Just say it. I will be slower the next time. But I'm very surprised. 40 minutes, because is this really a 3 stars? No. Is this a 2 stars? No. Because I'm faster than 50 minutes, it's a 1 star. And I'm very, very pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other two puzzles, a binary and a tectonic one. See you then. Bye bye for now.